Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome back if you're returning. I hope everyone's well during lockdown. Well, lockdown's kind of easing at the moment. Restrictions are lifting, things are getting back to some sort of normality, which is a good thing. I think everyone was getting a bit fed up, to be honest. But yeah, things are looking positive, things are looking up. So this video today is about auto locks and auto lock picking. So during the last 6 months or so, I've been getting quite a few calls with keys locked in the car. So whether that be keys locked on the seat, in the ignition, or in the boot, I am getting quite a few calls. Now previously I was, I still can. If the keys are locked in the car, then it's pretty simple to get out. So basically I just use a couple of airbags like this, put it in between the door and the door frame, create a small gap, and then use one of these rods that I've got to fish the keys out, which is pretty straightforward. That's basically 100% guaranteed of getting the keys out without causing any damage to the car. However, it's quite common for keys to be locked in the boot. So what happens is, I haven't got my key, but what happens is that on the actual, on most of the car fobs, there's 3 buttons: one to lock the doors, one to unlock the doors, and then there's like a boot button as well. So what people will sometimes do, and it happens when they go out shopping or something like that. So I'll walk up to the car, press the boot button to unlock the boot, open the boot, put the keys down on the parcel shelf or in the boot while they put their shopping in. Once they put their shopping in, they'll shut the boot without taking the keys. Now what actually happens there is, because they haven't actually unlocked the car, because the doors aren't unlocked, if you shut the boot, then the car is locked. So you can't open the boot and you can't open the doors because the car is still locked. Now sometimes the airbag method works, where you can just, like I said, flip the handle from the inside or press the unlock button, but that doesn't always work. And what you would have to do in those cases is basically pick the lock. Now, because I was getting quite a few of these inquiries and not able to actually carry out the job, I spoke to an auto locksmith about getting some lock picks, and he recommended 3 of the main picks that will cover most of the cars where this happens, where the keys get locked in the car. So your Fords, your VWs, your Vauxhall, Skodas, Seats, Audis. So they're the most common types of inquiries that I've actually been getting as well. So these are the 3 picks that I've basically got. So I've got the Mr. Lee. I mean, there's two brands out there which are most popular. So you've got the Mr. Lee's and Mr. Lishi. So I've gone for the Mr. Lee one. So you've got the HU100 there, which does the Vauxhalls, HU66, which does the Audi, Skoda, Seat, VWs, and then HU101 for the Fords, Range Rovers, Land Rovers, and those cars. So since I've had these for a couple of months now, and I've picked 3 or 4 cars since then. So I've gone to 3 or 4 jobs and been able to pick them without little or no practice. So what I've decided to do while I've got some free time is, off eBay, I bought a couple of these door locks. They're only about 9-10 quid, something like that. So I've got a Vauxhall one here, and I've got a Skoda one, and there's the key for it already in the vise. So what I'm going to do today in this video is just a bit of picking practice for myself, and just to show you guys the method in how to pick a lock. Some of you, or most of you, probably already know. There are other videos out there which show you the process, but I'm just going to see firstly for myself if I can pick these locks, because there have been some jobs that I've been to which I've not been able to pick the lock. mainly Audis, to be honest. So I've struggled with those. So I am still looking for a barrel to buy off eBay, which I haven't found yet, that I can buy, and then I can use that as to practice with. So yeah, I've been to a few jobs where I've not been able to do it, unfortunately. That's nothing to do with the lock or anything like that. I think that's just me being a novice auto picker at the moment. But I think the more practice I do, the better I get with regards to tension and stuff like that. So what we're going to try and pick this Skoda one first, and then depending on how long that takes, we'll go on to the Vauxhall one. I'll try to show you the lock working. There's the key. I'll show you that's locked. So what we'll do is get the pick, insert it all the way in. Okay. Now these are basically the levers, so you can see the little pointers there, and then I'm not sure how well you can see it, but actually I'll show you. So you've got the numbers there, 1 through to 8. So in the barrel you've got wafers. So the way that they work is obviously you'll just go through each wafer up and down, and when you apply tension, then whichever ones are binding, then they're the ones that you'll need to pick. So just see how we get on. So what you're looking for is some of them will be bouncing and some of them will be stiff, like this one. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for bounce. So 7's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Eight is binding, and that's gone already. So that was quite simple. I'm surprised myself actually how quick that's been picked. So what I'll do is I'll set up the Vauxhall one, and we'll see how we can pick that. Alright, so this is the Vauxhall one, so I'll just show it you working. That's the key. You see that's locked now. So insert it all the way, still locked. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay. So these are 1, 3, 5, 7 on the bottom, and then 2, 4, 6, 8 on the top. 3 is good, 5 is okay, 7's alright, top 2, 4, 6, 8. Not sure about the 6, so we'll come back to it. 4's okay. 2 I think might need picking. Actually we'll leave 2 for now. 1, 3, 5, 7. Still not sure about 2. Okay, 2's okay now. 4's okay. 6 might need to be picked, so just release the tension. 6 is okay. 8 is binding. Okay. 1, 3, 5 needs picking. 7 needs picking. 2 needs picking. 4, 6, 8 needs picking. 1, 3 is fine. 5 is fine. 7 is fine. 2, 4, 6. You see here all that clicking there is because basically I lost them all, so I think I might have overlifted one of them anyway. So let's try that again. It's all about patience with this, not rushing it, not going mad, not forcing it, just taking my time. 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 7. Not sure about 2. Okay, 2 we've picked. 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I might have overlifted something again, so just going to reset and start again. Oh. I'm not sitting very comfortably either, so that doesn't really help. And the camera's right in front of my face, so right. Okay, what I'm actually going to do is just stop the video there, because my battery is running out as well, and I think I need a bit more practice on this one, and hopefully with more practice I should be able to get it open, and once I get good at it, then I'll probably make another video. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers. So off camera, I gave myself another 10-15 minutes, and yeah, as you can see, I've picked that now. So yeah, like I said before, it's all about patience. It's all about, you know, taking your time, not rushing it. Yeah, obviously if you're live on a job, you know, and the customer's waiting for you to get them in, you can be pressured a little bit, but you know, if you take your time and you know what you're doing, then you can get it done. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.